Hey everyone, I recently acquired a very aggressively used BMW 3 Series. But aside from the cosmetic and mechanical things that I need to fix, of course my first instinct is to add horsepower. So I thought to myself, what is the quickest and easiest way to do that? And I came up with, replace the mirror caps. See, it's come to my attention that if you replace a BMW's mirror caps with carbon fiber M3 style ones, that it adds about roughly 5 horsepower to the wheels. And considering the operation takes like about 10 minutes and is like 35 bucks, well, it's a no-brainer. See, the operation is really quite simple. All you need is a plastic pry tool. There are no screws or anything crazy behind these things. All you gotta do is pry this thing off. Buy the new ones off of Amazon. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And go ahead and pop the new ones on. You're good to go. Now the steps are repeated on both sides, but basically you just take your little pry tool here and try to get in the crack as best as possible. Frankly, it might even be easier to just try to use your hands to sort of loosen up the little tabs. Now, admittedly, that process is a little bit more of a pain in the ass than one would hope, but it does basically just snap right off, and then you snap the new one right back on. And unless you're a hater of good-looking things, well then, no problems.
They could say the same.